In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a to-do list in Google Keep. So this is very simple. All you do is go up to here, this bit here. So click new list here and then put to-do list. You can create headings and subheadings. So you can put something like housework and then you can include things that you have to do for housework. So, and if you want to add it underneath as a subtitle of this one, all you do is drag it like that and these two will be linked. So yeah, you can just keep doing that. So you can click individual ones, and when you click this box here, that will be completed. If you want to deselect it, click on it again, and it will be included here. If you want to check off all of these in one, you can press that one, and that will have all of those subtitles that are included underneath housework. They will be completed items. And to do that, undo that, you can press that again. You can also customize this, the background, the color, and type of design. You can do that one. And I don't know if you want to delete it, you just press here. You can also include, so say if you're married, you have your husband or wife, you can share them into there and you can both edit and see this document together and collaborate on it. You can add images, you can archive, pin it, and that will bring it to here, so it'll be ready so you can see it whenever you need it. You can create a reminding note. So, for example, you can select a day and time. Say you want to do it tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Say how many it repeats. Press save, and that will do that for you guys. Yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.